Hurricane Otto has weakened to a Category 1 storm, but it's already caused some damage. Otto made landfall as a dangerous Category 2 storm earlier today, becoming the southernmost hurricane on record to hit Central America. Its maximum sustained winds were as high as 75 miles an hour. The Hurricane Center says it's heading west now on a track to emerge off of Central America's Pacific coast by early Friday as a tropical storm. I had a chance 18 years ago to cover Hurricane Mitch, which was nearby Honduras.
That was a bad one. That was a real bad one. This could be bad too. Multi-inch rains down there, a lot of wind damage. For a while, the winds were 110 miles an hour as a Category 2 hurricane, as you mentioned. We'll look more closely at that in a minute. But what about Black Friday? Everybody has gotten shopped tonight, tomorrow. No problem. The complete forecast on that in a minute. It's going to be a lot like what you're seeing here for today from our Lakewood Ranch webcam. Partly cloudy skies, mild temperatures. It's not going to be as hot as it was today, 86 tomorrow. We'll drop off a few degrees. Right now across the state, its temperature is 71 at Tampa, 68 at Fort Myers. The warmest spot down along the southeast coast, 75 at West Palm, and Miami, 76. Now across our viewing area, it's been very nice this evening. Gentle breezes, turning mainly calm. The only fly in the ointment tonight are a few patches of fog that could form in inland areas, and that moisture as the air cools off toward dawn. Now here is Otto. You can see it coming ashore as that Category 2 storm, but it encountered a lot of rough terrain, mountainous terrain down here. And as we move into the last 6 hours in IR infrared light, you can see it's becoming a little more disorganized, and the winds have now subsided to below hurricane force. It's Tropical Storm Otto, just about to enter the Pacific basin. It's a Pacific tropical storm, and then for the next couple of days meander out there off the coast of Guatemala, El Salvador, and Mexico, gradually weakening as it goes. No threat to the United States at all. We do have a powerful winter storm coming into the Pacific Northwest, but the jet is splitting there. The weaker branch coming across the United States, the stronger to the north. This weaker branch is not bringing any cold waves, no bad storms. In fact, you might expect temperatures at this time of year to be in the 30s up north and the 60s and 50s down south at this time of night, and that's exactly what the case is right now. Now, our futurecast shows our weather. There it is, fair to partly cloudy skies. Now, here comes a cold front, but what happens with it? It's going to wash out. But fear not, there's one more behind it that's on its wake that will dry things out. You can see by Saturday late in the day, it doesn't have a lot of clouds, no rain with it whatsoever. What it will bring is a drop of temperature about 2 or 3 degrees come Sunday and Monday, especially for daytime highs and nighttime lows. And once it passes, we're going to be looking to the west again. After that front goes by, this is Saturday. Look at Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Another front coming our way that has more moisture. Doesn't have a lot of cold air with it, but it seems to have a little more moisture. So we've got a chance of showers coming in from Wednesday night into Thursday of next week, but that's still several days away. We'll be keeping a close look at it over the next several days. That's our next chance of rain, but we have none this weekend. A great day to be on the water tomorrow. East winds in the morning becoming northwesterly in the afternoon, 5 to 10 knots. Seas 2 feet or less. Our bay and inland waters will have a light chop. Heading to the beach on Black Friday, that's what I like to do. 82, the air temperature. It's going to feel great. Not a lot of wind, so it'll feel warm. The UV index 4, the water temperature is cooled off to 68 from that cold air that blew over us early in the week. Partly cloudy skies, the forecast for tonight. The patches of fog, as I mentioned earlier, could be a problem, but they'll burn off very quickly in the morning. 62, the overnight low with winds from the north at 5 or calm somewhere in there. And tomorrow, mostly sunny and mild, high 83. I love this kind of weather. Winds northeast at 5 miles an hour. And Ray, here's the 7-day outlook showing that front coming through and cooling us off a little bit. When the front comes through, you can see it drops off a couple of degrees. And then that front coming through Wednesday night into Thursday increases our chance once again. That's your weather.